This is MEC 23B, and we're going to measure the camshaft. And so the things we're going to measure are the lobe, lift, and lobe condition, and the camshaft journal themselves. Let's start off with the lobe lift. You can see a picture we have of our cam lobe, and we want to know how much this cam lobe lifts the lifter. And so to do that, we need to understand that the cam lobe is a perfect circle except for the bump on top, the lobe part of the cam lobe. And so we measure from the diameter of the circle, and then we measure the total height, and we subtract the two. And that gives us this distance. That's called lobe lift. Lobe condition, once again, we're always looking for that hardened surface rubbing off. So you're looking to see if it was flaked off, often right on the very tip of the cam lobe. It'll come off, or sometime in this area also on the cam lobe. Good. Now let's look at the camshaft journal. In many ways, it's the same thing as measuring the crankshaft. You're going to look at diameter 1, diameter 2. So if we would look at the end of the crankshaft from this direction, we would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 camshaft journals. And we're going to measure this way, and we measure again, and we should have the same number. If we don't, then it's worn oblong or you're not measuring properly. Again, with taper, you're going to go on one side and the other side, and you're going to slide it back and forth in this direction along the length of the camshaft. If it gets loose, then we know we've got taper.